Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 11th to 15th August 2025. So let's go straight to our charts. So first let's talk about what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So here 0.42% was the positive closing. 147.705 was the closing on Friday. So currently, what are my expectations? I'll be talking about that. What are some important? I will also mark some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better SL and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen or what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So here I have already opened the weekly chart. If I talk about the weekly charts movement, or I talk about the body, as you can see, this is a bullish candle of the weekly chart and a small body with a medium lower wick and a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI, it's around at a oversold area, which gives us an indication of a negative move. But remember, as I always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone on a 1-day chart. So here let's first open our 1-day chart. As you can see, this is a 1-day chart, and if I see the 1-day chart, as you can see, from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the USD JPY is in a small range, as you can see, and there are some important support and resistance which is already marked, so I don't need to mark any such thing, or there is a different data which I have to mark here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for more such weekly analysis. So here let's now talk about the closing. So as you can see, 147.705 was the closing. Here the direct support is 147.154, direct resistance is 147.786. After direct support, there is a support of 146.495 and then 145.968. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 148.232 and then 148.679. So here these are some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take trade for coming week. Here, before I talk about my expectation or my opinion, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared 2 prop firm links in the description with a coupon code, and you can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. So let's now talk about the my opinion. So my expectation for current week is a bit positive. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range, that is 147.786 to 148.232. I am expecting a closing in this range. If there is a high volume on the buy side, then we'll be able to see a move till this range also, 148 to 148.679. But if you're looking for any short trade, then only look for a short trade or a scalp trade. You can see a 140 after the breach of this level 147 or 154, we'll be able to see a move till 146.495, which is will be a fast move, and then we can see a upside rally again. So do checking this out, do try to play this upside move only, because this looks promising. Upside move looks promising rather than going for a short trade. Here my expectation is closing in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. And also, if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.